The United Naga Council, in a release met yesterday, has asked the Committee on Tribal Unity to immediately lift the economic blockade imposed along the two national highways in the interest of all communities living in the state. The release stated that 4 months have passed since the outbreak of the mayhem on 3rd May, and all the ethnic communities, including Nagas, living in the state of Manipur have been suffering until miseries in every sphere. Given the situation, UNC has been necessitated to draw certain concerns from the state authorities and the two varying communities for immediate redressal of the ongoing turmoil in the greater interest of all communities living together in the state. In the release, UNC has stated that central and state government should initiate necessary steps to ensure the uninterrupted supply of essential commodities throughout the length and breadth of the state. It also added that unwarranted checking or frisking or detentions unto adding of essential commodities and various strictures imposed upon Naga people in sporadic areas and unabated illegal taxation or extortion towards the commuters and suppliers of essential commodities along the national highways and inter-district highways be stopped once and for all. UNC further added that the state and central government must address the grievances of non-availability of life-saving drugs and essential commodities being faced by the Kuki-Jo community as demanded by COTU.